Welcome to my channel Wheelie Smart. Automotive touch-up spray paint is a lifesaver for car owners looking to restore their vehicle's appearance without the hefty price tag of professional repairs. Number 7. Plasticoat Automotive Touch-Up Paint. Plasticoat has been a trusted name in automotive coatings for over 2 decades, and their touch-up spray paint lives up to the brand's reputation. This product is formulated to tackle scratches and chips while providing a protective layer to prevent future damage. Its acrylic lacquer formula ensures a smooth, even application, and it's designed to withstand extreme temperatures, making it suitable for all climates. The 360-degree nozzle allows for precise spraying, ideal for covering small to medium-sized areas. Plasticoat's paint is fast-drying, ready to touch in about 30 minutes, and offers a glossy finish that enhances your car's appearance. However, users may need to apply a separate clear coat for maximum shine and protection, and the spray can occasionally sputter, requiring careful handling. Despite these minor drawbacks, Plasticoat is a reliable choice for DIY enthusiasts looking for durability and value. Number 6. Touch-Up Direct Aerosol Spray Paint. Touch-Up Direct stands out for its eco-friendly approach and custom color matching capabilities. This aerosol spray paint is tailored to your vehicle's specific make, model, and year, ensuring a near-perfect color match. The single-stage urethane formula delivers a glossy, durable finish that's ideal for both small chips and larger scratches. The spray features a precise fan pattern, allowing for targeted application without excessive overspray. Touch-Up Direct also offers a combo applicator with a pen and brush for added versatility, though some users report that the color match may vary slightly with complex metallic finishes. The paint dries quickly, within an hour for handling, and its low VOC formula reduces environmental impact. For car owners seeking a professional-grade solution with easy application, Touch-Up Direct is a strong contender, though it may require extra care for intricate color blends. Number 5. Dupli Color Perfect Match Touch-Up Paint. Dupli Color's Perfect Match series is a favorite among car owners for its wide range of OEM-matched colors. This acrylic lacquer aerosol paint is designed to blend seamlessly with your vehicle's original finish, making it ideal for touch-ups on popular makes and models. The Easy Touch 360-degree nozzle provides excellent control, allowing you to cover large areas or focus on small scratches with ease. The paint dries to the touch in just 30 minutes and is ready for handling within an hour, making it perfect for quick repairs. While it requires a separate clear coat for a glossy finish, its fast-drying formula and precise application make it a go-to for DIYers. Some users note that the nozzle can clog if not cleaned properly, but with proper preparation, Dupli Color delivers consistent, high-quality results. Number 4. Era Paints Automotive Spray Paint. Era Paints offers a high-quality, American-made touch-up spray paint that's custom mixed for your vehicle's color code. This product excels in providing a perfect match, even for older vehicles, thanks to its use of premium paint tiers from manufacturers like PPG and BASF. The 12-ounce aerosol can include a high-build primer, base coat, and clear coat, ensuring a professional finish. The paint is fast-drying and resistant to UV rays and chemicals, making it a durable choice for long-term protection. Era Paint's user-friendly application process and detailed DIY videos make it accessible for beginners, though the slightly higher price reflects its premium quality. For car users who prioritize color accuracy and longevity, Era Paints is a top-tier option. Number 3. Scratches Happen Touch-Up Paint. Scratches Happen is a newer player in the market but impresses with its waterborne, low VOC formula that's both eco-friendly and high-performing. Made in the USA, this spray paint incorporates the latest advancements in paint technology, offering excellent coverage and a smooth finish. It's designed to match modern waterborne OEM finishes, making it ideal for newer vehicles. The kit includes a tinted primer, base coat, and clear coat, ensuring a seamless repair process. The spray can's adjustable nozzle allows for precise application, and the paint dries quickly, reducing downtime. While it's slightly more expensive than traditional solvent-based options, its health and environmental benefits make it a standout for eco-conscious car owners. Number 2. Automotive Touch-Up Aerosol Spray Paint. Automotive Touch-Up is a veteran in the touch-up paint industry, known for its custom blended, OE quality paints. Their aerosol spray paint is available in 12-ounce cans, offering a vertical slot nozzle that mimics a professional HVLP gun for a smooth, even application. The paint is formulated to match your car's exact color code, delivering spot-on results even for complex metallic finishes. It includes a high-build primer and urethane clear coat for a durable, glossy finish. While the solvent-based formula requires good ventilation due to its strong odor, the results are professional-grade, blending seamlessly with factory paint. Automotive Touch-Up's comprehensive accessory range, including sanding tools and spray triggers, makes it a one-stop shop for DIY repairs. Number 1. Dr. Color Chip Squirt-In Squeegee Kit. Topping our list is the Dr. Color Chip Squirt-In Squeegee Kit, a professional-grade solution trusted by dealerships and detailing businesses. This aerosol spray paint kit includes a base coat, clear coat, and a unique blending solution that ensures a flawless finish. The paint is custom mixed to match your vehicle's color code, offering exceptional accuracy. Its fast-drying formula and easy-to-use squeegee system make it ideal for beginners and pros alike, covering everything from tiny chips to larger scratches. The kit's durability and resistance to UV rays and chemicals ensure long-lasting results. While it's pricier than some competitors, the comprehensive kit and professional outcomes make Dr. Color Chip the best choice for car users seeking perfection. Hope you like this video. Please like, share, and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching.